Water is the driver of nature. This is a quote spoken by the famous artist and scientist Leonardo da Vinci. This is a really interesting quote since it speaks how much water is important for nature, for the living organisms, and for the whole planet. Scientists state that the most important factor that needs to be present for life to prosper is water. Water is so special and unique that only some places like Earth have it in its liquid form, which is the form that organisms absorb and drink. A normal human being can stay in the most extreme cases 1 month without eating food, but he can barely stay one whole day without drinking water. Loads of people say that fresh water will never end, but while the earth has only 2.75% of fresh water and about 2.05% is frozen in glaciers, other 0.68% are underground and only 0.011% of water are located in rivers and lakes. Heaps of people waste huge amounts of water every day, and studies point out that it is estimated that an average person wastes about 80 gallons of water per day. This is about 29,200 gallons per year. So if we sum up the amount of water that we consume and waste, we have only a couple of more decades until we run out of fresh water. Here are some facts about water. About 95% of water entering our homes goes down the drain. Running the tap while brushing your teeth can waste 4 gallons of water. Older toilets can use 3 gallons of clean water with every flush, while new toilets use as little as 1 gallon. Leaky faucets that drip at the rate of 1 drop per second can waste up to 2,700 gallons of water each year. A water-efficient dishwasher will use as little as 4 gallons per wash cycle, whereas some older models use up to 13 gallons per cycle. Many people in the world exist on 3 gallons of water per day or less. We can use that amount in one flush of toilet. 884 million people lack access to safe water supplies, approximately 1 in 8 people. 3.56 million people die each year from water-related diseases. The water and sanitation crisis claims more lives through diseases than any war claims through guns. People living in the slums often pay 5 to 10 times more per liter of water than wealthy people living in the same city. Now every problem has a solution, and even the scarcity of fresh water can be solved in lots of different ways. One way is by reducing the amount of water we use in our daily life, by turning out our tap water, not taking long baths, using less water when cleaning our dishes, etc. However, a really efficient way to avoid the waste of water is installing in houses and buildings rainwater collectors, which collects water from the rain to be used in irrigation, water for livestock, and even to drink. It is a really efficient way to use water ecologically, but the rain cannot be in acidic form or else people could get harmed or plants in the irrigation systems. A solution if fresh water ends is by the desalination of water, which is the extraction of salt from salt water, turning it into fresh, drinkable water. And since the earth is made of about 71% of salt water, it will take a lot of time to this water vanish. Of course, we could care more about our planet and avoid polluting it, and if we did that, the water cycle will return to its normal state.